In this Life Mail review, I'm going to be showing you how you can send unlimited emails to unlimited subscribers for a one-time price, and it even includes its own SMTP, so you don't have to set anything up. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to be showing you all the different OTOs and upgrades, so you'll know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a seven-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Life Mail, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video as it really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And if you're not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump into it, on my bonus page here, you're going to see a ton of bonuses from me, including some great software and courses. All of these are going to be waiting for you inside of Warrior Plus as a special thank you after you purchase through my link. Really quick, before we take a look inside the software, I want to show you my autoresponder that I'm currently using. Now, I pay a monthly fee for this. In February, I paid $174. As you can see right here, in March, I'm going to pay $149 for this. For me, that's fine for my business. I don't mind paying that. Email marketing is one of the most profitable parts of my business. It's how I'm able to get a ton of free traffic. However, when I was first getting started, I remember what it was like to be pinching pennies and trying to really save money anywhere I could. If you're someone that is getting started, you don't have a huge email list yet, it doesn't make sense for you to be paying these high fees, then it might make more sense for you to pick up something like Life Mail because it's a one-time fee and it's going to save you a ton of money. So if that's you, let's get into it. Okay, let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says send unlimited emails to unlimited subscribers for unlimited profits with one click and no monthly fee. So the thing that makes this really unique to a lot of these softwares that are put out here is this has a free inbuilt SMTP server included. So with a lot of these softwares, what will happen is you'll get the software and then you'll have to use something like Amazon S3, or you'll need to use your hosting SMTP and put all that information in and have to actually connect the two parts together to be able to send emails. This has it all included, so you don't even have to do that in one platform. Plus, it's ridiculous low price with a commercial license on the front end. It's just crazy how they're pricing this so low. Now you can run promotional campaigns. You can run do broadcasts out to your email list. You can send bulk emails. You don't have to worry about your IP getting banned. You just log into the software, upload your email list. It doesn't matter what your email list is. You can upload any subscribers that you want into it. They're not going to control your business with that. And then you can do your email marketing. It doesn't matter what niche you're in. You could be in internet marketing. You could be doing local businesses. It doesn't matter what you're doing. If you're doing marketing, you should be doing email marketing. And this is a very, very low price one-time tool for that. So they're showing some screenshots here of money they've made. I mean, email marketing equals traffic. So if you're looking for traffic, if you're looking for that all powerful free traffic, well, that's what happens when you go and you build an email list. You get someone on an email list, you then market to them over and over again, and once they click on their link, every time they click on your link, that's free traffic coming in for you. So let's go over and take a look at the back end area of this together. So this is the back end area, really simple to set up here. You just go in, you're able to set in your email subscribers. You can send to unlimited subscribers in here, and you have all your different campaigns that you set up. You can see your list growth, your activity. Once you've set up here, you can set up all your different campaigns in here. You can create your campaigns all inside of a cloud-based system. They have regular HTML. You can do plain text in here. I mean, it's very simple to set up. They're going to have a more in-depth detail on the sales page for you, but you can just go in there, put in your email, and just click send and send it out there. You'll need to send up a sending identity. So it's just going to be like your name and what email you're sending from. Once you verify that that's from you and it's actually your email, you do need to send from an email that's actually yours. You can start sending with it. So fairly simple to do. You can upload all your lists in here. You just go in here and you can just create the email list that you want to have here. You just name your list. You have your corporate, like where it's coming from. You can do it double opt-in or single opt-in. You can have a welcome email. You can send unsubscribe notifications to subscribers if you want to say a final goodbye to them after they've said goodbye. You have your different sending domains, your sending identities, your tracking domains, all that, your blacklist of emails that you don't want to send to. all in a very simple to use dashboard here. So that's the front end software, really easy to use. You don't have to, again, set up any kind of an SMTP or anything with it, and you're good to go. Now, of course, this wouldn't be a Warrior Plus type offer if it didn't have OTOs. So let's go take a look at the upgrades together. So the first upgrade that you're going to see with this that they're going to offer you, it's going to have a commercial license alongside with it, but they're going to do follow-ups. So it's going to allow you to follow up with your subscribers with an automated technology, deeper analytics, better tested email templates, if I can say that here. So it's going to have some extra features for you inside of this pro upgrade. So it's an optional upgrade. You can pick it up if you want to, but you don't have to if you don't want to. They also have an advanced upgrade here. With the advanced one, what this is going to give you is access to special servers for you. So a special, it has like a dedicated IP for you, an email verification tool for this. So it's going to protect yourself from getting blacklisted by people, get into the primary inbox, increase your open rates, increase your sales. It just gets you on a better IP and gets you better delivery within the platform. The next one is Optimizer. It's going to optimize your opens and your click rates. So it's going to just give you more of a deep dive analytics in there with this, a link rotator, in-depth statistics, URL shorteners, link groups, custom domains, page builders, all this stuff, tracking pixels, advanced link redirection, all kinds of advanced features. It's an optional upgrade. The next one here is going to give you the right to be able to actually charge people $97 a month to actually access the software. So you can charge people and get paid on a monthly basis to actually like sell the software as a service. So if you know people that would want to purchase this, then you can get a 250 LifeMail license to be able to do that. And the last one is you can actually rebrand the whole thing. So this is, you get your own logo, you get your own branding. Like I could technically have like Mike from Maine email, like, and I could sell that, have my own system where it's a complete white label of the entire system that they have here. And they have a white label. I guess it's, do they have one without SMTP? No, it's this one right here. Okay, so there's one without SMTP and there's one with SMTP. So you even get the whole SMTP added into it as well. Okay, so what do I like about LifeMail and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, it's a one-time fee software. So the reason I like to, I pay over $150 a month for my email marketing software is I know that they have an incentive to keep on making sure that it's running really, really well. When you purchase a one-time software like this, it's like they don't have as much of an incentive to keep it like super, super sharp. Just so you know. So it is going to be one of those things where you pick it up, it might run great for a few years, but we never know what's going to happen in the future. It's just the nature of these softwares. But that being said, I mean, it is a ridiculously low price. You're not really risking a lot of money. I would recommend you always keep your email list back up. Even though I'm with a company that I pay $150 a month for, I still back up my email list every single month just to make sure I have a backup of that, because that's my biggest asset is my email list. What do I like about it? It's really, really cheap, and you're getting access to an SMTP. Even if you used it for 1 month, you'd still be getting your money's worth from this. So just like these kind of deals where it comes so cheap, and you want to have maybe if you're going to use it as your primary autoresponder, you want to have it as a backup autoresponder, you're getting both the autoresponder software and you're getting an SMTP all built in one. It's a fantastic deal, not really a lot of risk there. So if you're looking for a really cheap autoresponder at a deal that is really hard to come by, then definitely pick this up. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. Remember, if you want to check out LifeMail, just go ahead and click the link below. Also, like this video. It really helps out with my channel, and I appreciate it. And if you're not subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.